The Individual Placement and Support Program is a program that helps consumers that are in the mental health realm become competitively employed. They make the same wages, are responsible for some of the same things that we're responsible for. So we place them based on our meeting with the employer.
And we support them once they get on the job, so that if they're having a problem with their employer, they call us and we help. If an employer should ask a client or a consumer something to do and they don't know how to do it, then they call us because they're afraid to tell the employer that they don't know how to do it. So they call us and we will then go to the employer and talk to the employer. It helps the employer because the employer gets a good worker. The employer gets someone who's reliable and who works really hard and puts all of the energy into doing a good job. It makes a statement to the community that this is an employer who helps those who have difficulty finding work.
Turner wanted to go back to work. He was working for 18 years. They closed down. So he wasn't really working. And then when IPS was brought to mental health, he was one of the first consumers to say, hey, I want a job.
Turner have made Martha's Place better because of his attitude. If anybody didn't tell you that he was suffering with, whatever, you would never know it. Because Turner coming in here having the best time of his life. He went and fixed up his apartment and, he happy. He said he gonna have a housewarming. He gonna invite us over, So it's just truly a blessing just to see how he just blossom out. He have helped us because he make these guys back there do stuff they don't normally do, So it's a blessing.
For the employers that are nervous about employing someone with a mental illness, Turner's story speaks for itself. He knew what he wanted to do, but people didn't really want to give him a chance. Ms. Martha took a leap out on faith and she gave him that chance, and now he's been there over a year. He's making friends. He's able to set up his own transportation and get to and fro. He's able to buy the things that he wants. Before Turner started working, Turner was sleeping on a table and putting his head down at the table. Once he started working, he was able to purchase those necessary items like a mattress and a bed, and he now has a sofa. Turner has, oh my goodness, he's buying up everything.
Well, it's a joy. It's a joy working with him. Like I say, he come in here every morning speaking, just as happy. You look pretty today, you look good, and all. I'm looking at him, and he's the one that I'm supposed to have it all together. And here I got other employees that come in here, they don't even tell you how you look or, or nothing else. But he got so much caring on the inside of him. And plus he love his job. You don't have to ask him to do nothing. If he sees something need to be done, he go and does it. And I think this is the time of his life, he's having fun.
As a part of the program, the employment specialist will go back periodically and check on the employee to see how the employee's doing. Check with the employer to see how that relationship is working out. Have you made friends?
Yeah, I made friends with everybody.
You get along with friends?
Yeah.
I like to, say to other business owners, that why not give a person an opportunity and a chance? We have people walking our business every day want to fill out job applications. And a lot of times the people that we give these jobs to, they are more risky than people that Joshua represent, because they come in with their baggage. So I'd rather be able to help somebody who don't nobody think that will amount to anything and don't nobody think that will be able to do a great job. All anybody need is an opportunity and need a chance to show themselves and to prove themselves, Somebody gave me an opportunity, somebody gave me a chance. So that's what I enjoy doing. It's nothing like somebody loving you and having confidence in you. So I realize how powerful that is. That's what the vast majority of all of us need, is for somebody to believe in us.